Okay, here is your challenge. You have 5 minutes to build me 2 cubes. You also need to explain, how do you know they are cubes? Why are they cubes? What makes them cubes? Your timer starts now. How do you know you're doing the right shapes for that cube?
Because
What shapes are you using to build the cube?
we always use squares.
Why do you always use squares?
Because then, see, it lines up correctly and there's mostly squares.
So what makes a cube then?
That has squares. Yeah.
How many?
1, 2, 4, 6.
Why did you say 6?
Because I remember you say 6. Yeah. Yeah, because there's 1.
What thing do we use to play games that is a cube that has
A
numbers?
dice. A dice.
Oh, okay. So I like how you guys have started there.
I'm making a cube.
How do you guys know what are you building there?
Done.
How's that a cube? Why is that a cube?
Because cube have
They have 6 vertexes? How many vertexes do they have? Or how many vertices do they have?
They have 6 faces on each one of the squares.
Each one are squares? So why is it important that they're squares? Why is a cube different from a rectangular prism?
Because if a rectangle, if they go together, rectangles are bigger than squares. And if I have rectangles on it, then it won't be even and it won't be,
I like what you said there, that all the faces need to be even.
Remember, what do you build? No, that's
How do you know that? What shape is this?
A cube.
How do you know that?
Because it has 1, 2, 3.
6 equal sides.
6 equal sides?
I mean 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 equal faces.
6. What shape are the faces?
And 12 vertices.
How many vertices? Are you sure? Why don't you count them just to make sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That all?
Okay, so here's our problem. I see you counting like this. What if we kept it here and you counted the vertices? Point to the vertices now. And now we'll look at the ones on the bottom. No, watch, but if we just leave it here like this, watch what happens. How many vertices do you see here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now if we point it to here, 4.
4.
So how much is this one? This one, if there's 4 there, what's this one become?
4.
Ready? 5, then
6. You 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4.
okay, watch me. When I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8.
So how many vertices does a cube have?
8.
There we go. See, it gets confusing when we keep flipping around. So what I like to do is I like to keep my shape or my solid flat, and then I count the vertices without moving it around, okay?
Okay.
Your next task is to build the 3D solid that has 3 rectangular faces. It has 2 other faces that are another shape. You will need to figure out what those faces are and what the name of that shape is. Your time starts now.
Which time? I want to build
What
this.
shape did you make there?
Triangular prism.
How do you know that?
Because I just looked at the chart.
You looked at the anchor chart?
Yeah.
Now what does that have that the anchor chart has?
What you said? 3 rectangular
3 rectangular faces, okay. And what are the other 2 faces?
triangles.
Okay. Why is that not a pyramid? Why is that a prism and not a pyramid?
Because pyramids have this is a pyramid and this is a prism.
So what's the difference between that pyramid and that prism?
Because the pyramid at the bottom goes up to this tiny thing.
Do you remember what that's called?
Vertex.
A vertex. Okay.
Also vertex, but this one and this doesn't have a vertex.
It doesn't have a common vertex?
It kind of does here.
Well, but is that a common where all the sides go to? Where all the faces go to? No. So, tell me what 3D solid you guys made?
A triangle prism and these two faces is a triangle.
Okay. What else makes it a prism?
Oh, because it says triangle.
So it's a triangle. Why is this a prism and not a pyramid?
Because if it was a pyramid, it shouldn't have this, not this kind of triangle. It should have been 3 triangles.
Oh, it have triangle. So, okay. So how many faces does this triangular prism have altogether?
1, 2, 3, 5.
5 faces. Okay. Your next design challenge is to build a pyramid that has 4 faces. 4 faces. Go. Okay. I'm looking at your pyramid. How many faces is it supposed to have?
What?
How many faces does the pyramid, how many is it supposed to have?
4.
How many faces does your pyramid have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh. Do we need to change our design then?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think your base needs to be then?
A triangle.
Why?
Because the triangle. Because when you take one away, you have to connect it so you have to put a triangle face, which makes 4.
Excellent. I think that's a great strategy. Okay. I'm looking at your pyramid here. How do you know this is the right pyramid? How many faces does it have?
Because it has 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 faces.
What about the one on the bottom?
5. 1, 2, 4.
4. And my instructions were to build one with 4 faces. Do you know what the name of this pyramid is?
No.
Okay. What shape is the base?
A triangular prism.
Not prism, a triangle-based.
Pyramid.
Excellent. Good job.